Which choice completes the text so that it conforms to the conventions of standard English? Mathematician Grigory Perelman, sometimes in conjunction with mathematicians Richard S. Hamilton and Xing-Tsung Yao, blank credited with proving the Poincare conjecture. Having built on Hamilton's previous work to solve the proof, Perelman has insisted that Hamilton receive credit. Yao later found and closed gaps in Perelman's proof, persuading some mathematicians that he deserves some credit as well. So, looking at this first sentence, we can see the subject of the sentence is the mathematician Grigory Perelman. Now, this phrase here is sometimes in conjunction with mathematicians Richard S. Hamilton and Xing-Tsung Yao, is an unnecessary phrase. So, this phrase adds extra extraneous information, so it isn't quite required for this sentence main purpose or meaning. So we can eliminate this when we're reading out the sentence with these words plugged in. Now, the phrase or the word that is best for this sentence is one that connects to this single subject here. Because the subject Grigory Perelman is a single subject, the word here must also be a singular. So looking at the answer choices now, we can see that A says are. This is incorrect because are is a plural verb, or a plural word, and therefore, if this were to be placed into the sentence, it would read, Mathematician Grigory Perelman are credited with proving the Poincare conjecture. So because this doesn't make sense, and because are is a plural word that does not match the singular subject of the text, A is incorrect. B. Have been. This is incorrect because have been is also a plural verb, and this does not agree in number with the singular subject of the sentence, Grigory Perelman. And like A, if we were to plug this into the sentence, we would see that it would not make sense. And if we were to do so, it would read, Mathematician Grigory Perelman have been credited with proving the Poincare conjecture. So because this doesn't make sense, we can also eliminate B. C. Are being. This is incorrect because like A and B, are being is a plural verb, so this does not match the singular subject here, therefore we can eliminate C. But before doing so, let's plug this in to make sure. Mathematician Grigory Perelman are being credited with proving the Poincare conjecture. So just as we supposed, C is incorrect because are being does not make sense logically in the text. Now let's move on to D. Is. So this is the correct answer, because is a singular verb, and the singular verb matches the singular subject of the text. And like the other options, if we were to plug this in, we could see that this would make sense. And it would read, Mathematician Grigory Perelman is credited with proving the Poincare conjecture. So because this makes sense, we know that the correct answer is D.